Hello everyone, Big Joe Vindikta here. Today we're going to be installing a pair of our Vindikta Bag Guards onto this 21 Road Glide Special. It's a fairly simple install that you can do at home. Minimal tools or experience required to do it. If you already have bag guards installed on your bike, simply just have to unbolt them, take it off, cars will slide right on. If you don't have bag guards on your bike, that's like this Road Glide where the bag support rail comes around to the front of the bike. You've got two options. One, you go to Harley, buy a short rail, have this installed. Second option, which most of our customers do, just make a cut, take this front piece off, rail or bag guards will slide right on. Now, on the stock guards, it slides in about an inch, and then it bolts with a nut. Now, our bag guards have about a 7-inch rail here. So when you slide it on, it's a fairly snug fit, goes all the way in. Plenty of support for the rail. No need to put a nut or bolt through this. Now, you can eyeball this, cut it where it comes out of the curve, and then you'll have roughly 3.5 to 4 inches of existing bag railing already sitting in the support. A little bit more technical, measure back from the end of the rail, go up about 16.5 inches. That's roughly about where the curve comes out of here. You just make this cut. Now, it's not a very thick piece of steel, this bag rail. You can cut it with a hacksaw, or what we're gonna do is just use a cut-off wheel. We'll make the cut, we're gonna deburr the edges, then slide our bag guard on. All right, everyone, we've made the cut to the bag rail. Small piece that just comes off, looks like that. There's a nut back here on this bike. It's a 9/16 wrench, and then the forks in the front will come off. The forks up here take the bolt off. Sandpaper, made the cut, cleaned up the edges, and then just to show you, slide that on. And there you go, bag guard. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna lock tight, put the bolts back on, put it back together, and show you what the final product looks like. We're back, bag guard on, lock tight, 2 bolts, side cover, bag, seat, and you can see the finished product, bag guard on the side.